Ode to a Pied Oyster Catcher. You amaze me, your strategies for staying warm, standing one-legged, the other winched, bill tucked in back feathers, harnessing heat from your breath, piping it under your wings. You amuse me, your man in the street demeanour, suited in black and white, striding with measured step, a stately, portly shape on stick-thin legs and flippery feet. You intrigue me, your constant searching and eating, that prominent, purposeful beak plunging in mud for worms, chiselling stubborn bivalves, hammering and shattering shellfish. You inspire me, your courage conquering shyness, those acts of mock aggression to safeguard nest and eggs, those plucky decoy dashes deflecting threats to chicks. You delight me, your solo flights at sunset, skimming the river in a flurry of flapping, following the ebb tide, piping to your mate.